100 watts. I didn't have an amplifier back then. Everything I did was 100. Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, there's a long story behind this one. This is on a borrowed radio. This is Germany. This one came in an envelope too. Yeah, I remember this one. This is on Morse code. I borrowed a doctor that I knew, a doctor friend, who had a Swan 750 radio. It was just pristine. This guy was a neat freak. He had a Swan 750 at the time, ran 150 watts, whereas all the other radios were 100 watts. He wanted me just to take that radio home, clean it up, make sure it worked. And I said, yes, sir. Took it down my house and got it on the air and started banging out contacts with it. That extra 50 watts really helped, or at least I thought it did. Columbia. Let's see what we got here. No stamps. That probably came in one of the envelopes. Columbia, 15 meters, 1985. This one, SSB, that was a voice one. Although I don't think Columbia is all that far from Miami, so that was probably an easy contact. Other ones here, and I think that's about it. So, oh, Czechoslovakia, Republic of Czechoslovakia. We got to look at this one. No stamps. This must have came in one of those envelopes too. What was it here? Day 27, 1985, I'm assuming? I don't know. The ink is kind of fading out, but Czechoslovakia. I'd have to go look on a map. That has to be a pretty far haul. On a Yagi 5.7. That's it. This says SSB, so that means sideband. That means voice? I don't know. Like I said, I did very little voice, but this must have been one of the rare occasions I did voice. Anyway, so back to Morse code. Yeah, I would say the bulk of all these contacts were Morse code on a key that I can't find. That old key. One of the rubber feet had fallen off, and it was really pissed me off, and I wanted to go, it might be out in the garage. I want to fashion 4 new rubber feet for it and resurrect it, but I actually want to get a nice new key. Long story short is I found this retrofit wooden one online, made in Germany, for $175. Ordered it, and it was back ordered, stayed back ordered for 4 months. Finally called Ham Radio Outlet up and said, yeah, give me my money back, I'll find something else. They had no idea of when it was coming back from, or where they're going to get them in from Germany. So problem is I never went and picked up another key or picked out one yet, so I have to do that. Okay, we'll see you guys later.